Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's sale time again and Nykaa Hot Pink sale is here. So I thought of doing my top recommendations, products which I've been loving and products which you can get on great discount. So if you're interested, you can definitely check it out. So I have like a huge pile of products here. I'm just going to pick it up randomly. So the first one which I have is this mask makeup brush. So this is a very travel friendly brush. I've been loving it and I've asked my sister also to get this one because you can just throw this in your purse, in your makeup kit, and it will not get dirty. And yeah, it's easy blush. So I absolutely love it. So it's super cute and travel friendly. The next product which I have here is Innisfree. This is their face wash. I love this volcanic range. So if you have oily skin, I feel the Innisfree face washes are amazing. It deep cleanses your skin without stripping it and making it dry and tight. So I absolutely love their face wash. I already have the blue one, and this one is cleanse and purify. The volcanic clusters plus BHA. So I love all of their face washes, and on sale you get amazing deals, so you can definitely pick it up and try. It's a very creamy formula, but it like deep cleanses your face, so I absolutely love it. And I can actually see my skin being brightened after using it, so it's amazing. Talking about Innisfree, one product which I absolutely love is this mask. This is their volcanic swirl pore mask. So you get two kind of products here from this hole. Oh, sorry. So you get two different kind of mask from one tube. One is very hydrating and one is very cleansing. So if you have like oily combination skin, this is something which you will absolutely love. It's a fun mask. You have two colors on it, and it is actually effective. So you can definitely try this one. Coming to body wash, this is something which I have loved. This is from Kimerica Bridgerton collection. I have already used one, and this is my backup. This is their neroli and thyme fragrance. So it's a very mild, very clean fragrance, but it is floral. It's a very classy floral. It's very Bridgerton coded. Definitely layer products on it, and it will not change fragrances or anything. So if you're looking for a nice body wash and you want a change, you can definitely try this. And on Hot Pink sale, you will definitely get at amazing price. So Kimerica body washes are amazing. Then coming to body lotion, I absolutely love Bath & Body Works aromatherapy range. I feel they are very calming, very luxe, spa-like. So this one in particular is my favorite. This is the lavender and vanilla scent. So this generally stays on my nightstand. It's a very night kind of body lotion. I absolutely love it. Bath & Body Works lotions are very hydrating, so you can definitely try this. But if you're looking for something affordable, you can try the Nykaa Wanderlust range. So this currently I'm using in the day, and this is their Jaipur Royal Pink body lotion. Again, this is very similar to Bath & Body Works, not like the fragrance wise, not this, but generally they are this body lotion range. They have really done great with their packaging. It's very easy to use, very convenient, and the scents are also very good. Like it doesn't smell cheap or very chemically. They are good scents like what you get at Bath & Body Works. Very similar fragrances and good quality. So yeah, this one is pomegranate and musk. So again, a very fruity, fresh scent. So yeah, if you're looking for nice body lotions, this is definitely a good option. Then coming to shampoos, I have loved the Indivile range. It is a little expensive, but if you're looking for something nice for your hair, you want to invest in it, this is something which you can definitely consider. So this has been sitting in my closet for a couple of months. I already am using one, and I've got this at Backup because there was some good offer, so I picked it up. So yeah, this helps to control your frizz, hydrates your hair, and yeah, it also prevents breakage. That I'm not sure, I cannot comment on breakage because I still have hair fall. But yeah, otherwise it's a very hydrating and very nice shampoo. It doesn't like make your scalp oily, but it cleanses it well. So if you're looking for a nice shampoo, this is it. Talking about hair care, one product which has changed my hair care game is this one. So this is the Nexxus Pomade hair oil. So you just like take 2 drops of it, and like this smells incredible. Incredible is not a word. And you just put it on your hair. This smells amazing, it feels amazing, and yeah, I don't know if you can see, but there is a shine. I've just like hardly applied 2 drops, and yeah, just freshens up your hair and makes it so soft. This is almost full, but I'm actually planning to get one more bottle if it's on like good offer, because I absolutely love this one. Coming to underarm roll-on, this is what I'm currently using. This is Chemist at Play fragrance-free roll-on. I absolutely love it. It just does the job very well. No fragrance, no drama. It doesn't like leave a white cast. It doesn't feel sticky, heavy. It's very lightweight. It's amazing. Another roll-on which I generally use is this Be Body Wise. Again, this is 4% AHA BHA, so both of them help to even your underarms, reduce darkness, and just makes it more clean. So yeah, both of these are really good, whichever you feel. Both of them are fragrance free, and they are like affordable and amazing, so you can definitely pick whichever. Then for sunscreen, I've been loving this Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. This is so lightweight, it's fluid like, it doesn't sit heavy on your skin, and you actually don't feel that you're wearing sunscreen. It is that good. This is SPF 50 PA 4 times plus. If you have oily skin, this variant is amazing. I think they have one more for dry skin as well, but this is aqua based, so it's really lightweight and amazing. And another product which I love from Beauty of Joseon is this cream. This is their Dynasty cream, and you can see how much I've already used. This is my go-to face moisturizer at the moment, and I absolutely love it. It's lightweight, but it's not so light that it feels like water on your skin. It has that little moisturizing effect, but it's not heavy on your skin. So this works well through the seasons, and I absolutely love it. Coming to face mask, this is something which I go back to. So if you're looking for an instant brightening, I love the O3 Plus D10 sheet mask. So you just feel your skin is more brighter and hydrated. But this, I feel no one really talks about it, but this is like a really good sheet mask. And one more sheet mask which I absolutely love is from Centella. So I don't have it with me, but I'm going to definitely repurchase it. That one is instantly crazily moisturizing. Like, it just moisturizes and hydrates your skin so well. So if you're just feeling your skin is very dry and dull, that one you should definitely try. So I'll leave the link for that one in the description box below. You can definitely check it out. I'm going to repurchase it and get it for myself. But so this and that Centella mask are 2 masks which I absolutely love and I go back to. Then coming to fragrance, this is my newest addiction. This is from Secret Alchemist, and this is their Madurai Jasmine perfume. So the brand claims to be very clean. It doesn't like affect your hormones or disrupt your bodily functions. That's what it says. So it is a very nice, so I love jasmine scents, so this one is really very refreshing and very fresh. I absolutely love it. So the lasting is decent. I wouldn't say it lasts for a very long time. So within 4 to 5 hours you will have to reapply. But for a clean perfume, I absolutely don't mind reapplying it. I think it's not very expensive as well. So if you are looking for a nice, pretty perfume which is clean, you can definitely try this. Another budget perfume is from Plum. We all know it, we've used it, so this is something which I generally go back to. This is the Plum Vanilla Caramello perfume, and this is the vanilla one, and this one is in the travel size. So I generally have this on me. It's affordable and they're long lasting, so yeah, you can't go wrong with these ones. Now coming to the makeup bit, I just have few products, and I am not someone who's experimenting more with makeup at the moment because I have so much of makeup and I'm not able to really use it. So I just have my staples which I absolutely love. So if you are looking to buy something, you can definitely consider this, but I am not someone who will use much makeup on a regular basis, but I have my favorites which I love. So coming to tint, the Smashbox Healthy Halo Glow is something which I love and I go back to. This is the one which I'm currently using, which is almost gone, and I have like a full backup with me, so I love this one. So this is in the shade medium, and basically this gives you a light coverage which is good for regular basis. Even on weekends I prefer applying this, and I just do some concealer, and it's just so lightweight, so easy to use. It doesn't feel cakey or heavy, it just feels like your natural skin. It sits beautifully. So if you're looking for a new BB cream, tinted moisturizer, anything of that sort, you should definitely try this, and sale is the best time to pick it up because it's on good offer. And for foundations, like if I have like an event to attend, that's the only time I use a foundation. And this one from K Beauty, perfect foundation, not very expensive, not cheap, good quality, lightweight, hydrating, so it doesn't like really cake up, but it gives you much better coverage than tinted moisturizers. So I absolutely love this. And the powder which I'm using is again from K Beauty. I love what they're doing. Their base products are really good quality, and they have decent shade range, so you can definitely try. I had actually broken this, so I have fixed the pan, and that's why it's looking a little weird, but it's an amazing face product. So it takes up the oiliness and just makes your base stay intact for a long time. So this is something which you can definitely consider. Sorry. For blush, there are like crazy new launches for blush, but I always go back to my MAC. This is the MAC Gingerly, and I feel it's stayed in trend through the years. It doesn't disappoint. It's a perfect blush for my skin tone. I haven't applied anything today, so I just feel it's the perfect shade for my skin, for Indian skin, and if you get it on offer, you should definitely pick it up. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I absolutely love this one. It just complements Indian skin so well. So just is the perfect shade, I feel. So yeah, I have used quite a bit. I don't know if you can tell, there is a deep dent in that. And yeah, so if you are looking for a good blush, this is something which I absolutely love. It's matte and just is the perfect shade of pink nude for Indian skin. For eyeshadows, I again have not purchased any new eyeshadows in the longest time, but this is something you can definitely try if you haven't had a Huda palette. This one in particular, the Naughty Nude, I feel is very versatile. It is something which you can use the nudes and the browns and the burnt orange shade. With this you get like a good use out of it. It's not something very bold, and you can create everyday and party looks with this one. So if you're looking to buy a Huda palette, I think this is the best one. To eyeliner, this is the Swiss Beauty one, which I've been using since ages, and it's affordable. It's black, jet black. It stays in place for hours, so this is my go-to. I'm going to repurchase a backup for this one. So yeah, it's really good, easy liner. And for eyebrows, I've been again using this for years. This is the Benefit Goof Proof eyebrow pencil, and again you have a spoolie here and the pencil, and it's a very fine pencil, so it creates hair-like strokes. So yeah, nothing fancy here. These are my staples. Lipsticks, I don't have anything new. I've just been trying to finish my older lipsticks, which is going to take like ages, so I don't have any new lipstick recommendations. Yeah, so this one I forgot to talk about. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off. I am almost done with it, just like a couple of uses left, so I'm going to repurchase this. So in case if you are looking for a cleansing balm, you can also try this. One more skincare product which I missed is this from Centella. This is their Tone Brightening Capsule Ampule. It's a very long name, and it has like such beads, so when you rub it, it breaks. And yeah, it's just kind of brightens your skin over time. You don't see instant result with this one, but over time it helps in reducing dark spots and patches on your face. So I kind of apply this at night before sleeping. Yeah, I think that's about it. I hope I'm not missing any products. But yeah, if I have more recommendations, I will be putting it up on my story. You can follow me on Instagram, and yeah, if you have any new products which I should try, let me know in the comments. So that's about it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It means absolute world to me. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.